Alright, hey guys, there's like the most fucked up noise coming outside of my house, and it's straight ahead, like where I'm pointing, like behind those houses. Can you hear that? It's like a loud, like squealing sound. It's like a wail. Hear it? I don't know if my mic can pick that up, but like it's not coming from over there. It's just coming like straight ahead, like right behind those houses. And what's really weird is I can hear like loads of cars. You know, it's like 3 AM though. It's not normally like that busy at night, especially here. It's really weird though, 'cause it's been going on for like literally like an hour, and I don't know if it's like a fox, maybe it's pregnant or whatever, but it's fucking weird. I've never heard a sound like that before. I mean, like I've heard like foxes scream where it's like ah, like that, you know. Really weird. But anyway, I thought I'd show you that. It's kind of interesting in a way. But yeah, peace.